Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong February 1 to 15, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's see, Pisces. What's up? What's up? What's up? February 1 to 15. You have Imam Kaweli. So this is about your roots. Yung iyong pinanggalingan. So maaring you will spend more time with your family or pwedeng uuwi ka sa iyong hometown, home country. Or spending time with your parents as well. You also have Leo energy. You are going to shine bright. Maaring you will cultivate your talents, your skills, your creativity, your creative mind. Mas magiging very confident ka sa mga kakayanan mo, sa mga abilities mo. You also have Neptune energy. So this is really connected sa mga Piscean energy. So I think sa ngayon marami ka ring mga iba pang pangarap sa buhay na gusto mong ma-achieve. And I think you are going back to basics. No? That's what I'm hearing. Going back to basics. It's like kung ano yung mga hindi mo na i-complicate yung mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Kung gusto mo din, gagawin mo. Hindi ka na mag-overthink about it. And marami ka pang mga nakikitang gagawin in the future. Medyo futuristic yung energy mo this time. But minsan kasi na-overwhelm tayo, no, sa masyadong advance na iniisip na natin. So for some of you, you are going to focus muna sa basic, sa foundation ninyo. Oo. Na kung parang i-reality check nyo, how's your foundation? Paano ka parang pagtatanim, 'di ba? Or ang isang puno, importante sa kanya na malakas yung kanyang roots, yung kanyang mga ugat, ayan, para mas mabilis siyang mag-grow, 'di ba? Hindi napipigilan yung roots niya kasi yung roots nag-expand rin yan sa ilalim, 'di ba? So I feel like mas bibigyan mo ng attention ngayon yung mga simpleng bagay na tutulong sa pag-unlad mo kahit magsisimula ka ulit. So this is your overall energy, the World card. Yes, you are closing a chapter in your life to start something new. Meron kang sense of achievement na parang na-realize mo, okay, nagawa mo na yon, nakumpleto mo na yon, and move on, go to the next. Magsisimula ulit. You also have the Ten of Pentacles. Ang ganda ng energy ninyo, Pisces. So you are really building a solid foundation in terms of your career, your business, no? Kahit na nagsisimula pa lang yung iba sa inyo, ang importante is meron na rin kayo na-accomplish at yung mga experiences nyo dun sa mga na naabot nyo, na-accomplish ninyo, yun yung magiging guide ninyo moving forward in achieving your other goals, no? So yung iba meron kayong opportunity to travel abroad, to work abroad. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? You have the Six of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo maraming umaasa sa inyo, no? Marami kayong tinutulungan, marami kayong sinusuportahan, but there are times na minsan mapapagod ka, lalo na kung hindi mo nakikita na pinapahalagahan nila yung effort, yung tulong na ibinibigay mo sa kanila, yung support na binibigay mo sa kanila. Pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict with someone dahil sa expectations mo sa kanya na somehow maibalik kung ano yung effort, tulong na ibinibigay mo sa kanya. Pwedeng challenge sa connection ninyo sa relationship nyo in terms of money. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, may nagpautang, ayan. Tapos, malapit na tao to sa buhay nyo, kaya lang wala na siyang kakayanang magbayad. So, pwedeng, yun yung isa sa maging struggle nyo, paano nyo tatanggapin yun, paano nyo ipoprocess yun. Are you just gonna let it go? O charge to experience? O you will undergo yung complicated na proseso. So, your opportunity, you have the King of Pentacles. And then the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, new beginnings to. New job, new career, new opportunities when it comes to your money. Meron, yung iba sa inyo, merong i-offer sa inyo na leadership role sa trabaho. Yung position nyo magi-increase. Promotion, ganyan. Oo. Some of you naman, may magbibigay sa inyo ng puhunan sa business. Pwedeng inyong mga magulang or someone na may tiwala sa inyo or naniniwala sa visions ninyo pagdating sa proyekto ninyo, sa business ninyo, or gusto nyong subukan. So, sa inyong blessing, you have the 8 of Swords and the 2 of Wands. You're finally opening up. Kung may mga bagay na nililimit mo yung sarili mo, ngayon, you realize na hindi ka mag-grow kapag wala kang ginawang changes, kapag hindi mo hinayaan yung sarili mo na maka-experience ng bago, no? So, parang ngayon, you are finally taking that risk, taking that action to move towards your goals, your dreams. Hindi mo napapansinin yung discouragement na binibigay ng iba na, hindi mo kaya yan or mahirap yan. So, you will focus on what you can do. Have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. Yes. So, speaking up your truth, minsan kasi iniiwasan na nating i-express yung nararamdaman natin kasi ayaw nating makasakit ng iba or ayaw natin na merong masaktan or may ma-offend. Pero kasi kung totoo naman yung sinasabi mo, why not? Diba? And then, you also have Wolf, Heart Medicine, let go of which that does not serve your highest good. So yes, anything that is toxic in your life, you feel like hindi naman to nakakatulong na sa pag-improve ng buhay mo, then you're going to let that go. And you will accept who you really are. Pagpapakatotoo sa iyong sarili, you're going to embrace who you really are. Ito na yung panahon na i-release mo na yung people pleasing characteristics na minsan gusto natin lagi napiplease ang ibang tao na tayo na nagsasuffer. So, you're going to be more true to yourself, more authentic, and you're going to embrace who you really are. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.